Welcome back to the shop, guys. It's been a while. In this episode, we're going to fit up the traction bars. We're going to modify the hubs to fit the first-gen seals and bearings. We'll test fit our brakes, and I might have a surprise for you guys at the end, so stay tuned and let's get at it. First thing people do to first-gen Civics is swap them over 4x100. And the easiest way to do that is to use a second-gen hub, which that is, because it's compatible with the BE36 bearing. This diameter fits the ID of the bearing that fits in the wagon knuckle, which has the correct spacing for the brake caliper. I'm going to be converting it to a bigger spline, which this is off a 95 Civic. The only issue we have there is now this little standoff here is where the bearing still rides. You gotta add this, weld it, and then machine it correct to accept this seal. And you have to run this because the bearing could walk out without this seal.